Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Was Michael Jackson the most famous person in the world? How famous was Michael Jackson exactly? That's what we're going to see for today. I think Michael Jackson is the most famous person to ever grace this earth. I'm not saying it because I'm his fan, but his impact is everywhere. I don't think Elvis, Beatles, Charlie Chaplin, or any other celebrity is as popular as Michael Jackson. Some people would not like it because they probably don't love Michael, but his popularity is undeniable. He is the most famous person after Jesus and Muhammad. Just go outside your house and ask people, do they know Michael Jackson? And you will be shocked by their answers. I think there's rarely anyone on this planet who don't know him or his profession. People know him more as a dancer than a singer. In Asia, people consider him god of dance, and in India, you can easily find his posters, moves, name and even costumes in most of the movies and TV serials. You can search in Google also and you will find his name in top 3 in any list. I don't know why people don't want to tell the truth. It's okay if you don't love Michael Jackson or idolize any other celebrity, but please don't deny the fact that he is the most famous person to ever walk on this earth. When Michael was searching for a house which later became his Neverland, he visited various places and he even went somewhere in the mountains. An old man saw him and said, "Wow, Michael Jackson." Even a person at a place that seemed out of this world knew him. On the day Michael Jackson died, all websites crashed for hours. It has happened for the first time in history or probably the last time. And all news channels around the world showed Michael Jackson related news on their channels for months. I have never seen a craze like this. Still today, Michael Jackson has the biggest fan base in the world. Michael was famous because of his talent without any help of social media. People of every generation know him very well. He is not only famous among youngsters, but even your granny and a 5-year-old kid will know him. So if you still say that Michael Jackson is not the most popular person in the world, then your statement is invalid. Yes. In India, kids born post 2001, his last album year, know him. If you can dance well, then he will be lauded as he can dance like Michael Jackson. Although Charlie Chaplin is also famous, but people can only recognize him, they do not know his name. But Michael Jackson is at the tip of people's tongue like a brand. In India, except for true musical fans, no one knows of Beatles, Elvis, Whitney Houston. When Michael Jackson visited India, he was welcomed by a huge number of fans at airport and on streets. Even villages know him pretty much, something that today's pop stars cannot achieve in spite of heavy internet penetration. People may complain his glory is overrated, but it's a fact that this guy is a global icon. Like him or hate him doesn't matter, but you know him. That itself says he is famous. Michael Jackson was literally in prison in his own fame. In whatever continent or country he visited, he was treated like a royal. Let's just say there are 4 levels of fame. 1 celebrity, 2 star, 3 superstar and 4 Michael Jackson. Now the level of fame on number 4 can never ever be achieved in our lifetime. Even other celebrities got starstruck when they met Michael Jackson. Have you seen any artist who was always followed by their fans? Michael Jackson was always followed by his fans wherever he went. Some of his fans kept waiting for him in front of his mansion, and even in Neverland, he was so loved by his fans. Michael loved them so much, he cared for them. Have you heard or seen any artist who gives blankets and pizzas to their fans and who takes them to hotel and sometimes talks to them overnight? Well, I think only Michael Jackson who did that. Michael touched millions of lives. He was a generational superstar who had a prestigious career. No one can achieve Michael Jackson's fame or even come close to it. According to a survey done by The Guardian, Michael Jackson is so famous that if we cut his fame to half, he would still be 8 times more famous than the second most famous person. In 2010, a French TV crew went to see the Yavapai, an Amazonian tribe which is rather cut off from the world. They have limited contact with modern world. The crew showed them various footages on a TV screen like people walking on moon, the 9/11 attacks, and asked them what they know and heard about. And when the crew showed them Michael Jackson, the tribes went like, "Oh, Michael Jackson." The tribes knew right away who Michael Jackson was. Their knowledge to the modern world was very limited, but still they knew who Michael Jackson was. That says a lot. Today being famous is almost nothing compared to a world before internet. Back in the 80s and 90s, you could go to any part in the world and ask them who Michael Jackson is and they would always know. That kind of fame is much easier to achieve today because the internet tends to be available in the most remote part of the world. But back then, no way. There is a unique quality in Michael Jackson that is mesmerizing to all humans. It is his look, his character, his charisma, his presence. It makes for a memorable experience. Those tribes would have heard about some other famous people, but Michael Jackson left a stronger impression. Let me tell you another incident to prove how famous Michael Jackson was. A few days after Michael's death, a reporter was on American TV show. She said when Michael Jackson died, she had been on a news assignment in a very remote part of the world. When she heard Michael's death, she didn't think about it much considering where she was. It was so remote that she and her crew members could only go so far by a car. Then they had to get out and walk the rest of the way over a rocky terrain. They had a local village man working for them as a guide and interpreter. And after walking for some time, the local village man turned to her and said, "It is very sad, isn't it?" She replied, "What is sad?" And he said, "Michael Jackson's death." She later reflected that it was in that moment on an isolated mountain in a very remote part of the world looking at a poor farmer who probably never traveled 100 miles from where he was born did she realize who Michael Jackson really was, the most famous person in the whole universe. As far as concerned to the world of music and entertainment, Michael Jackson is the greatest of all time, but we don't have to focus only on that because it's truly amazing to see how great Michael Jackson was when we see impersonators of him showing up on talent show, when we see people paying tribute to him, when we see the reactions of his fans, the scream, the faint in his presence, something we have never seen from fans of other people. A king always be a king. Michael is a genius king. He thinks about everything. He makes sure to give his best performance. Is there anyone who could dance and sing at the same time for more or less than 2 hours? Michael Jackson's music videos like Beat It, Thriller, Billie Jean are his first successful albums that became popular and helped bring television channel MTV to fame. Michael broke down racial barriers. Is there anyone who got different kinds of awards and achievements like Michael Jackson? Michael Jackson has been inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame twice and the first Dance Hall of Fame, first dancer from the world of pop, rock and roll. He received 39 Guinness World Records and the most successful entertainer of all time award. Michael also got different kinds of Grammy awards like Grammy Legend Award, Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award. He got 26 American Music Awards and 16 World Music Awards. He was honored by 2 presidents of the United States and he was also named as Artist of the Century, Artist of the Decade, Artist of the Generation and Artist of the Millennium. He received countless awards for his humanitarian endeavors and he was also inducted into the Songwriting Hall of Fame. Across the world, in all cultures and countries, Michael was present through the modern technology and media. He was the spokesperson for family entertainment. Unlike Madonna, he wasn't too adult oriented and he entered every home in the world through TV. To put this idea into perspective, it was estimated that the premiere of black or white video in 1991 was seen around the world by 500 million people. That's just the premiere of TV screening of a single music video. His interview with Oprah Winfrey in 1993 was watched by 90 million people in USA alone, making it the most watched interview in the history of television. This memorial service in 2009 was watched by 2 billion people. Nobody achieved any of that. That's how famous he was, and I would argue that he was the most famous person in the whole world, well known in countries where people don't know much about Jesus, Muhammad, or any politician or any public figure that Westerners consider household names. Hitler, Kardashians, Donald Trump, Elvis, Beatles, and Mahatma Gandhi are the names that don't mean that much in other parts of the world. There's no one in today's world that even comes close to Michael Jackson's level of notoriety. To achieve global notoriety, one must be transcultured and accessible to even the ones deprived of education, which is exactly what Michael Jackson was. Is there anyone today who creates songs to help people and who builds orphanages and who goes around the world to visit different kinds of orphanages and children hospital and gives them toys and donates millions of dollars which he earned from his tours? Well, Michael did that without media coverage. Whether you like him or not, that doesn't matter. The matter is who doesn't know him as the king of pop. Even kids of today's generation can recognize him when addressed as the king of pop. His records are still best-selling, Thriller and others. He tops the list of highest earning celebrity even today for 11 consecutive years as confirmed by Forbes. He holds 39 Guinness World Record, which is not easy. His talent was amazing. He deserves it. His talent was extraordinary. His dance moves and moonwalk still continues to amaze people of all age groups. His philanthropic works are beyond measure, and it's a true fact that Michael Jackson was and is still the most famous and popular person in the whole world who is still loved by billions in the world. Accept it or not, that's the fact. That's all friends, we're gonna end here. See you all next time with another interesting topic about Michael Jackson. And if you want me to talk about anything in particular related to Michael Jackson, please comment down below. Thank you.